still translating in your head?
Let's stop!
Then you must stop.
Let's start speaking English today!
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Smart English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're sharing something that can completely change the way you learn English.
That's right. We'll show you 10 simple daily habits that can help you speak English more naturally and confidently.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our English lessons.
Let's get started.
Eric, why is listening so important?
Because listening trains your brain before speaking. Even 10 minutes every day helps your ears become familiar with English pronunciation and rhythm.
You can listen while cooking, driving, exercising, or relaxing.
Exactly. Podcasts, songs, YouTube videos, or movies all work. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just keep listening consistently.
Our second habit is shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately, almost like an echo.
It improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence.
Start with short sentences from YouTube videos or podcasts. Repeat them several times until they sound natural.
Many students try to memorize dozens of words every day.
And that's usually too much. Learning just 1 to 3 useful words daily is much easier.
Write each word in a notebook and create a simple sentence with it.
Small progress every day becomes hundreds of new words every year.
This one sounds interesting.
Instead of translating everything, start thinking in English.
For example, I'm making breakfast. It's raining today.
Exactly. Your brain becomes faster because you stop translating from your native language.
Yes, it might feel a little funny.
Maybe, but it's one of the best speaking exercises.
Describe your day, your plans, or even tell yourself a story.
Nobody is judging you, so you can practice without pressure.
Reading helps you discover new vocabulary naturally. Choose something simple and enjoyable. News articles, short stories, blogs, or even social media captions.
Just 5 to 10 minutes every day can improve both vocabulary and grammar.
Write only 3 or 4 sentences every day.
You don't need to write an essay.
Talk about what you did, what you learned, or how you feel.
Writing helps organize your thoughts and improve sentence structure.
Nobody likes making mistakes.
But every mistake is a learning opportunity.
Write down corrections instead of forgetting them.
When you review your common mistakes, you'll stop repeating them.
Real conversations are the fastest way to improve.
Talk with a friend, a language partner, or even use speaking apps.
Even 5 minutes of speaking every day builds confidence.
The more you speak, the more natural English becomes.
This is probably my favorite habit.
Mine too. Learning should be enjoyable.
Watch movies, play games, listen to music, or follow your hobbies in English.
When learning is fun, you stay motivated and improve much faster.
And those are our 10 daily habits to help you speak English more fluently.
Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be consistent.
Practice a little every day, and you'll be surprised by how much you improve.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, which habit will you start today?
Thanks for watching Speak Smart English.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.